Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you.
Yeah, this thing's gonna work perfect. Got some bags.
Basket.
You ready, honey?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Let's do this. What a beautiful day. Check this out. Our ATV ride today. What do you think, honey?
It's great. It's nice day.
Okay. We're gonna go up around that corner and see what there is to see. Okay, folks, we have found a fantastic spot. These guys are truly at the end of the road. What a house. There's the only house out here is this place. They've got an overlook of that beautiful beach behind them, which has 0 people on it. They've got a nice palapa outside, and this is the view. So what a cool road. You got these white cliffs, sandstone, and I just love them. They're just, look at this. This beautiful ocean, and the water is just crystal clear. Oh, what a great ride. So yeah, these little excursions like this is what it's all about. So we found this just by exploring, and we hope to find some more. Just a day, hey, a day or two out, and we've got a few more days to explore all around here. Come with us, let's go exploring. Okay, we found us a really good beach. Look at this behind us. This is Mexico. We're gonna go climb on some of these rocks. Check this out. As we explored the coastline along Zacatitos, we realized more and more exactly where we were. This 1,000-mile long finger of land pointing out into the Pacific Ocean, which is balanced between the Pacific and its own sea it creates, the Sea of Cortez. This day we took in nature. The ATV ride took us to places that we had not been before and were easy to reach. In the coming days that we spent at Zacatitos, we learned more about the people. We got to meet so many interesting characters you'll see coming up in our next videos. We got to see hot springs, and more, we fell in love with this place. Located at the tip of the Baja Peninsula.